The best part about social media management is that you don't even need a degree to start. You don't need prior experience. You don't even need money to get started. You can actually learn everything for free and from the comfort of your home. It's one of the fastest growing careers out there right now. And businesses are searching for people who can create content for them, who can engage with their audience, and who can build that online presence for them. So in today's video, I'll walk you through the exact steps you need to take to become a social media manager, even if you're just starting from scratch. And the best part about this video is that I'll also be teaching you how to land your very first paying client. So the first step you need to take to become a social media manager is to learn the basics. I mean, you can't go anywhere without knowing what to do first. So start by learning social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, and the likes. And each of these platforms have their own unique purposes. So for example, Instagram is good for visual content, LinkedIn is good for that professional networking. For TikTok, you need to learn how to create short content, engaging content. So with all these platforms, whichever one you decide to go with, you need to take time to learn how to create engaging posts, how to use hashtags, how to analyze engagements, and there are free resources out there that can teach you how to go about these things, how to learn these things. So there's YouTube, for example. You can just punch in what exactly you're looking for, and there's a wealth of information out there that you can learn from YouTube. There are also other platforms. I'll be leaving them on the screen so you know where to go. So the second step you need to take is to develop your skill. Now that you've learned the basics, the next thing you need to do is to focus on developing key skills like content creation skill. You need to get the hang of tools like Canva. Making designs and posts is super easy on Canva. So it's a very essential tool I would advise anybody to go learn. Then you also need to learn copywriting. So learn how to write captions that will grab people's attention. Analytics is another one. So even if you're not familiar with Google Analytics and the likes, you can still explore other tools like Instagram Insights, Facebook Business Suite to track your performance. Don't worry about being perfect yet. You actually learn most of these things on the job. And besides, practice makes progress. So start by managing your own account or offering help to maybe your family, your friends, so you can just gain as much experience as you can get. So the third step is to build your portfolio. So even if you've never managed any accounts before, if you've never done any professional job before, you can still build an impressive portfolio. And this is what you would do. You can design a week's worth of posts for maybe a pretend blog, maybe a beauty brand, or maybe any niche that you are interested in. So just save your work on free platforms like Canva again or Google Drive and share this portfolio with your clients. It's all about just showing them what you can do. Even if you don't have any professional experience yet, this will suffice to some extent. Now that you've built your portfolio, it's time to find the work. And this is where it gets exciting. You can start on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and the rest. You can join Facebook groups where business owners are looking for social media managers. You can optimize your profile on LinkedIn is another very big one because it's a professional space, so you'll be able to attract businesses searching for your kind of skill. Then you can also reach out to small businesses in your area. Everybody's going online these days and they're looking for help with online presence. So that's where you come in. So you can always pitch to businesses around you. If you're getting value so far, don't forget to like this video. It doesn't cost you anything at all to like this video, but it will mean a lot to me. So click the like button and please subscribe if you want to join this awesome community. I've created another video where I detailed a step-by-step guide on how to land these jobs. Okay, so if you want to go into freelancing or anything like that, I'll suggest you check out this video so that you know the step-by-step detail on how to go about it. The final step I would say, which is often overlooked but is so important, is to keep learning. The online space is fast paced, is saturated, is highly competitive. So, what will make you stand out amongst the several social media managers out there is your ability to upskill. Okay, so you need to advance your skill as often as possible, and then you find that you will constantly get these jobs because you will always remain relevant. The more you know, the better and higher your chances are at getting these jobs. Staying updated is so crucial. You need to follow blogs, you need to take online courses, you need to experiment with new strategies. You know, the more you learn, the more valuable you become, and the more relevant you'll be to people that actually need the skill that you have. Becoming a social media manager isn't as hard as it seems. It just takes a little bit of learning and practice. The only real investment you need is time. Time to learn, time to practice, time to build on your skill. You're not actually investing money. So there's really no excuse not to jump on this opportunity, especially with how accessible it is online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips like this. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions as usual, or if there is any topic you would like me to talk about, and I'll be happy to do so. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.